Have you ever wondered how many surgeries are done each day at Children's Mercy? Would you like to watch one? If you're curious about what happens when a child with a traumatic injury comes into the ER, or how babies are cared for in the Pediatric Intensive Care Unit, now you can find out. Discover Children's Mercy is a rare opportunity for you and a select few Kansas City leaders to experience a day in the life of this hometown treasure. Come, discover Children's Mercy.
Children's Mercy Hospitals and Clinics is a nationally ranked and renowned pediatric medical center right here in Kansas City. We've all heard stories about the wonderful things that happen here every day for children and their families. As Kansas Cityans, these stories make us proud. But most of us haven't had the opportunity to witness what happens here firsthand. The exceptional care, innovative technologies, and medical discoveries. Well, now you do. Come see for yourself.
This is a new and innovative program being offered for the first time at Children's Mercy. You will get the opportunity to shadow some of the leading medical minds in pediatrics. This is a rare opportunity not to be missed. I hope you will join me and other leaders in the community in discovering Children's Mercy, a leading pediatric medical center.
Come on down. You're going to be amazed.
Wonderful doctors, wonderful children. Join the club.
Please sign up.
This one is good.
Everyone who's anyone is going to be here.
Discover Children's Mercy. You'll like what you see.